ABSU hosts meeting in Langhin College, discusses on STH and Boro language issues. Good morning, you're watching Karbi Long Live Morning News with your host Bon Kilingpi. And now the news in detail. A crucial meeting of the All Borough Students Union from BTC and Karbi Long District Unit was held in Langhin College on Wednesday. Issues relating to the demand for STH status and the introduction of Borough as a medium of instruction were discussed at the meeting. The meeting was held at 11 a.m. in Langhin College and was chaired by ABSU Karbi Long District Unit President Jones Basumatari. Karbi Long Autonomous Council EM Tarendra Brahma, ABSU BTC Central Committee President Dipen Poro, Vice President Karamdao Warji, and General Secretary Konindro Basumatari attended the meeting. During the meeting, the students' body asserted that they would continue their fight for the welfare and development of boroughs living in the hill districts of Assam. The students' body stated that STH to boroughs would happen very soon, but asserted that they would not rest until their demands of granting scheduled tribe hill status to boroughs living in the three hill districts of Assam and introduction of borough departments in all schools and colleges are all fulfilled.
Karbi Anglongor Bokhbakora Boro Hokol ba Jonojati Hokolor Jikhini Rasnitik, Hamazik, Orthonitik, আৰু শিক্ষাৰ লগত জড়িত যিখিনি সমস্যা আছে সেই গোটেই সমস্যাবিলাকক লৈ পেলাই আজি আমি কোভিড মানে প্ৰটোকল মানে মানি লাংহিন কলেজৰ এই মানে প্ৰাংগণত আমি এটা বুদ্ধিজীৱীসকলৰ এটা মেল আমি ইয়াতে সভা আমি কৰিলোঁ ইয়াতে আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলাৰ যিখিনি ফ্ৰণ্টাল বড়ো অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন আছে এফচুকে ধৰি পেলাই বড়ো খাদ্য সভা আৰু আন যিখিনি সংগঠন আছে প্ৰায় 10টাৰো অধিক আৰু আমাৰ বিশিষ্ট বুদ্ধিজীৱীসকল আৰু ইয়াত বিভিন্ন প্ৰান্তৰ পৰা আমাৰ মানুহ আহিছে মূল কথাটো হ'ল যে কাৰ্বি আংলঙত বড়োসকলৰ যিখিনি দীঘলীয়া যি সমস্যা দীৰ্ঘদিনীয়া সমস্যা পাহাৰীয়া জনজাতিৰ যি মৰ্যাদা আৰু ইয়াৰ লগত এই কাউন্সিলখনত আমি সদায় কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিলৰ যোগেদি সকলো জাতি জনগোষ্ঠীৰ উন্নয়নৰ কাৰণে একেলগে আমি কাম কৰি আহিছোঁ আৰু আগলৈকে একেলগে ইয়াত শান্তিপূৰ্ণভাৱে সকলোৰে সম অধিকাৰ সম মৰ্যাদা ৰাখি পেলাই সকলোৱে জীয়াই থাকিব লাগিব
Dirchuna Rongpi from Puloni and Sarpangri Tikathar from Langhin for Karbi Long Live. In contrast to the claim of the Parivartan Sarkar, signs of massive corruption have been exposed in West Karbi Long District. The latest being the PMGSY road constructed between Langteng and Langtui, falling under the Socheng MEC constituency. Here's a report. Located around 8.6 kilometers away from the West Karbi Long District headquarters, Hamren, the road has been sanctioned under the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana scheme, and the contract for construction of this road was awarded to one Kamalgiri. And in contrast to the expectation of the public and construction guidelines, the materials used were of third grade and the construction work was not carried out as per the construction guidelines, resulting in immediate cracks and huge damage within days of its construction. The serious matter was reported in several print and electronic media, but the most shocking was the lack of response from the concerned department and the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Locals said that the CM Tuliram Ronghang, MLA Rup Singh Teron, and even MP are all from West Karbi Long District. Yet the lack of response and interest toward the serious matter is outrageous and appalling. The KSA Hamren head branch inspected the road and exposed the extremely poor quality of the road being constructed by the contractor before the media. In addition to this, village headmen of 6 villages in the area have also expressed the immense disappointment and anger over the poor quality of the road, terming it as loot of country, illegal, and crime against the poor people of the area, and therefore unacceptable at any cost. Village headmen and locals have demanded immediate repair and strong measures if the road quality is not fixed.
Claim ji pusita lahaya kam lahaya tawar pe me bangla non barkha dhusi lahaya kam na claim nahi la non la pu piskuri bo matawar pusita mante la pu la rong check pen kachelenga tawar pusita prabjing pen claim nahi lahai claim bon pe purote rong asor ke ka siksak do kasi lahai kisu kun e kache poni mante morning krenga por tapini lut kari ason son ke pon puta tawar jong si mesen se pulote ini tum rong asor ke kisung ke lak do ko ji la sinil hin pen ka chuneng ri du namang ke la so tuwar prabjing pen alang tum council ka chere tum masi CMM tum la pen MLA tum pusatame la so ke lang pon da prang mala pen ka peklem da prang ya phasi nil hin pen chuneng ri du
tum wang lom ni lo sisi dak rong cek lang teng la so rut tuwar salam pusatame ni tum ke the gam long bang ka mi da asan serat tum ke the gam long lo the kontraktor bang lang li doi ki pen tangka chulong ni phan bo masi atwar salam min point along bangan si asap uban ke par par bang ke lang li tum asap tu hok phui phui amarin ke ngarang tum company tum makam klem sek agari pang plong an si atwar bang ke hingno thai si ni tum rong asor phan abanga ke pi mi bang ai lang tum do sek ta hingno dak la se lang tum non prap chin ma so salam thunai nge bang ke kinang sot lo pusi la ni tum rong sor tami tang tum han kipuang tum bang la lo
Daniel Langhin from Hamren for Karbi Long Live. Various development works carried out in Kaipo Langso picnic spot under Duarbaguri constituency had started to damage within a few months of its completion. Owing to this, people of the local areas are frustrated and have demanded immediate repair of the works. In the last few years, the Kaipo Langso picnic spot located in Duarbaguri constituency under Dolamara police station had been a major tourist attraction. People from neighboring districts including Golaghat, Jorhat and Nagaon also come here for recreation during the hot summer season. Thus, with an aim to improve the condition and facilities in the picnic spot, an amount of Rs 7.9 crores was sanctioned under the Assam Darshan scheme. Accordingly, a road and one footbridge was constructed so that visitors will find it convenient to reach the spot. However, within 2-3 months after the completion of the work, the poor quality of the road had become unable to withstand the rainwater and had been severely damaged. On several points, the road had badly eroded. The bridge, which was also a part of the scheme, was constructed too low. Thus, whenever there is flood, the bridge is easily inundated. There are several other works which have also been left incomplete. Locals have alleged that the contractor had done misuse of funds in the works due to the neglect of the engineers and local SDO. During the visit of our correspondent to the picnic spot, local village headmen and members of the committee looking at the place expressed their disappointment over the poor quality of work. They had demanded that the authority should take strong action on the contractor and direct him to repair the damaged portions of the road and complete the unfinished portion of the work. They also said that as the picnic season is approaching, authorities should not delay the work.
Non nili da kai phalangso waterfalls along sido tasi arjulong je labangso waterfalls dung kido kai phalangso sora tunang thalo je Assam Darshan ben kideng scheme penangana ke chokche dokok kusipu tasi dak lang lo je the labangso tower ka selam 2 km tan da dolo taso along 6 bridges do long truck do tasi labangso to long pen puka cekap dia fan kela tadi si apalah si stair bonai pula sekala bang so stair ka bonai kela ke room pon meyo ada dhalai me pin asake lake lang ke thiu ta ani sida hale khak sinang khan lo onda lang le pon pedes bela bang so dilong ko mane idur bak ke chong pon ta me la sina pusana sai ke oi ke klem mang kela ke ni tu me thake da department official sa tu sine ke lang nu nangi polo la pela son si penang ada din mang ke adlong mang ajam pa pachi he pena pot lang la putra dukok haputa dukok ko kedam ke baka siksak do kasi lang ke thehut la bangso delong penangan arni silom kulupte inlum thilo la penangan plaster tower mukha ke kaheno sosi dukok lo kasi la dak department officials tum problem den bagra na chelang la contractor tum hara ko re paklem thunai gi pusi dakara tum chune ko pani si arwe ke the pik per top la ha angle bang la so supporter la so stair supporter ba ke cement pen dhalai le mane plaster de dia la si lang ke the ke bang per posila bang so poti hei lo la nal tu thenglong pojo athike ju la hai ar long pen si tu den kang lok choju la sila son pulute ku pusi bang so adlong la pana ju ki di ma dak tu mena thenglong ji athela la plaster te la long ha si de la sila zon askim ke Karbi Long afan bang be la bang so ala Kaipo Langso development as project ke kan bang be insta ju nal tu thenglong lo athike la hai dak dhalai le pin cement pen apena porge naman tuna athela dak boulder pitching donangi athela ke non lang ke thiani si la pu ana la kang pen jok la bang so ding lem lo la tang thelong jo athela ha ke lo de gari bang kon ke so la so atowar ke class ting ko asi la bang so department tu officials tu video SDO la pen porge engineer to Pravin Chevara.
RG Sonrongpar from Dolamara for Karbi Anglong Live. Forest Department had on Wednesday seized a new Bolero pickup vehicle loaded with illegal timber on the Assam-Meghalaya border area. Here is a short report from our correspondent. The Bolero with no registration number was captured from Piska, a place on the Assam-Meghalaya border area about 40 to 50 kilometers from Pelangpi. Forest officials told that the price of the 15 pieces of timber would be around 15,000 to 20,000 rupees in the market. Kheroni Southern Range Forest officials told that absence of good vehicles as well as the pathetic road condition have always been a big trouble for them to perform their duties smoothly. They have repeatedly requested the higher authority to give them a four-wheeler vehicle to conduct patrols, but till date, their demand have not been fulfilled. Thus, they are forced to use bikes to go on patrol.
ये सब एरिया ड्रेनिंगर ওচৰে পাজৰে হয় জায়গাখিনি এইখিনি পুৰা আমাৰ বৰ্ডাৰ এলেকাত অলপ দূৰ হয়
আৰু উত্তৰ মালখিনি কাঠখিনি ক'ত লৈ যোৱাৰ এটা আপুনি অনুভৱ কৰে
আমি যিটো ৰিপৰ্ট পাইছিলোঁ সেই ৰিপৰ্ট মতে আৰু আপোনালোকেও জানে যে যিকোনো আমাৰ এইখিনি এলেকাৰ পৰা যিখিনি ফান্টাই হওক বা কিবা আপোনাৰ হেৰিয়ে হওক কুণ্ডাই হওক তেওঁলোকে সদায় মেঘালয়ত নিয়ে আমাৰ অসমৰ ফালে নাহে কাৰণ মেঘালয়ত কোনো গছ গছনি তেওঁলোকে অলৰেডি নাইকিয়াই কৰিলে গতিকে আমাৰ ওচৰে পাজৰে যিখিনি গছ গছনি আছে এতিয়া তেওঁলোকৰ হেন চকুটো আমাৰ এইখিনি ওপৰত পৰিছে ইয়াতে অপ্ৰিয় হ'লেও সত্য মই ক'বলৈ বাধ্য আমাৰ সীমান্তৱৰ্তী কিছুমান লোকেল ব্যক্তি আছে তেওঁলোকে ইয়াত সহযোগ কৰিছে যাৰ কাৰণে তেওঁলোকে এইখিনি কৰিবলৈ সুবিধা পাইছে বা সাহস পাইছে
Mohantiron from Pelangpi for Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.